wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dea Sanora, grade 13-5. Here I will read about my activities during the past 2 weeks. On Monday, I performed several tests, namely performing thin layer chromatography or KLT on a sample of lysine HCl, identification sodium, and determining heavy metals. The next day, Tuesday, I performed solubility loss on drying and residual annealing test on a sample of paclitaxel. On Wednesday, I performed sodium identification and loss on drying. Then on Thursday, I performed pH and solubility test, and on Friday, I performed loss on drying on a sample lab exam. Next, for the second week, on Monday, I conduction solubility test identification and the determination of chloride and sulfate contents of the Licadex sample. These tests were performed to ensure that the raw material met the required specification and purity standard. On Tuesday, I performed acidity test and solute matter in water test, solubility test in acetone and isopropanol for the alcohol sample, as well as the preparation and assay determination for the ferrous fumarate sample. These activities were aimed at evaluating the chemical quality and confirming the concentration of the activity ingredient. On Wednesday, I carried out several chromatography and instrumental tests, including test limit test for acid. In addition, I also performed IV metals determination test on tamsulosin to ensure that the metal contamination level was within the accepted limit. On Thursday, I conducted solubility loss on drying and identification test of the chlorpidogrel sample. I performed total amylase on choline bitartrate to confirm the sample compliance with quality standard. Finally, on Friday, I carried out solubility, acidity identification, and refractive test of the benzyl alcohol sample. Overall, the performance this week helped me gain a deep understanding of various pharmaceutical quality control methods, particularly in physicochemical and instrument analysis. I can say wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah.